Hey everyone, welcome to week 4 of online learning. This week we're going to keep going with sound terms, but I am going to make one significant change. Normally, I have you guys do 2 assignments per week, one on Wednesday, one on Friday. This week, I'm going to make a change. I'm going to take one and get rid of it. This week, all you've got to do is one thing, and it's due on Friday. Now, let me take some time and explain exactly what your assignment is. Pay attention.
So, for this week, you need to be using sound devices. You have 2 options for which assignment is due on Friday. This is your first option. You are going to be writing lyrics to a hip-hop song. Now, you can't just write anything. First, it needs to be 15 lines long. Second, it needs to contain all of these sound devices. Now, you may think that looks difficult, but honestly, if you look at any of the lyrics by Eminem or the Notorious B.I.G., you'll see that every single line that these guys write includes at least 4 sound devices. So getting 5 rhymes in a hip-hop song is really easy to do once you put your mind to it. The topics you can write about are school, sports, fake friends, heartbreak. As long as it's not a Mr. Roos diss track, I'm perfectly okay with it. So if you consider yourself a rap god and you want to write a hip-hop song to prove to me that you can use sound devices, go for it. Keep the lyrics clean, include all the sound devices here, and turn it in by Friday. The second option that you have is a GIF picture book. What is that? Well, it's a 10-slide long book that contains GIFs, that contains rhymes and alliteration, and that tells a story. This is a good option because it'll help you make you a better writer, and you'll get some really good computer skills out of it. I've made an example to show you what I'm looking for. So, without any further ado, this is My Pet Shark by Mr. Roos. Timmy was a kid that always wanted a pet, but that was something his parents wouldn't get. His parents were smart and they were nice too, but Timmy wanted a shark for a pet and said nothing else would do. One day, Timmy said, "I'm done." He opened the door and he started to run. He ran near, he ran far, he ran past a pit of tar. Then he was at the ocean. Quickly, he ate suntan lotion. Timmy passed out. He made a mistake. You don't eat lotion, for heaven's sake. Just when Timmy thought he was through, a shark came out of the ocean blue. The shark prevented Jimmy's end, so the two became the best of friends. Mom and Dad said it was okay, so the shark and Jimmy said hooray! The shark was his best mate, and the two stayed up late. That's 10 slides now. I finished this assignment somehow. The end. That's all you need to do. 2 things you need to remember as you make a picture book of your own. 1, you just tell a story. If you had this picture, the better example here is Kyle the kangaroo doesn't like the color blue, so he knew what he had to do. That lends itself for a story. Kangaroo, bamboo, cow goes moo is nonsense, and it sounds kind of stupid. So make sure when you're writing this, it makes sense. Secondly, your slides have to look good. This looks bad. You need to do better. Google makes it super easy. You don't have to spend any time designing a slide because this little button, the Explore button, does it all for you. Here's a slide that doesn't look good. Click this Explore button. Google automatically brings up ideas to make the slide look better. I think this one looks great, so I'm going to keep it, and you're done. Honestly, you don't have to spend any time making things bigger or smaller. Just get your picture on the screen, get your text on the screen, and then hit this Explore button. It makes a world of difference. How do you get the pictures? The last question you might have is how to get the pictures. Well, this is honestly one of the easiest parts in the process. Let's say I want a picture of a kangaroo. I type in kangaroo and then the word GIF after it. Once you've typed that in, a bunch of images will come up that move. You find the one you like, you click on it, you hold the mouse down, you drag it over to the slide you want, and you drop it in there. Then again, click this Explore button, you make the slide look a little bit nicer, and that's you through. That's all I've got to say.